Welcome to my hometown. Masanto sa kabusan at sikayon amin. I'm Alan Francis Viray, and welcome to my hometown. Come and join me and be amazed how blissful and beautiful my municipality, Basista, Pangasinan. Basista was once the biggest and most progressive barrio of San Carlos City. Republic Act No. 4866 was enacted into law and legally created Basista as a town of Pangasinan. Basista is now fourth-class municipality in the province of Pangasinan, Philippines. We have three native languages: Pangasinan, Inarok Subalay con Basista, Ilocano, ay ayatan ko Iliti Basista, and Tagalog, mahal ko ang bayan ng Basista. Basista is also known as home of the finest musicians, and it is founded on September 5, 1961. It has total population of 37,680. In my hometown, Basista, Pangasinan, you can find one of the most beautiful church in province of Pangasinan, Mary Help of Christian Parish. People here are jubilant, sweet, and welcoming. We are flourished and unified with one goal, and that goal is to serve God, because we believe that it makes us stronger as one municipality, the municipality of Basista. Because we all know that prayer is the most powerful weapon that we can use in our everyday life, to say sorry for all the sins we've done, and also to give thanks to the blessing we've received. Our parish is open for everyone. You are welcome to visit Mary Help of Christian Parish. No one will stop you. No one will discriminate you, as long as you have heart to fulfill your role as Son of God. You are welcome. At ngayon, ating bisitahin ang pamilihang bayan ng Basista at ang aming pinagmamalaki. The main products of my very own Basista are rope, corn, and we call bente-bente. Corn is second to palay as a major crop in Basista. In fact, there are 650 hectares of corn here. Pursuing a business using corn husks are really worth it. Handicrafts such as bags, baskets, and plant containers are among the most popular items developed using corn husks. They also make flowers, leaves, bottle holders, and Christmas ornaments. They started in the year 2006, and the first product they learned is to make flowers, until they discovered how to make ropes and braids. They also making latik at iba't ibang klase ng kakanin, at ito ay napaka-popular at masarap na pagkain na matatagpuan mo dito sa aming bayan ng Basista. They also selling any kinds of vegetables to sustain their family needs. Ganyan kasipag ang mga mamamayan ng Basista. At yan ang pamilihan ng bayan ng Basista. Come and visit to my lovely town. We truly find fun in Basista, Pangasinan. Once again, I'm Alan Francis Viray. Maraming salamat po.